about something that you said.
I want to follow, but I didn't know.
Di ba dito, most handsome si Ivan sa apartment, si Ryan.
Oo, si Ryan.
Most handsome guy.
Hindi, dito, si Joe.
What more today, James? Tomorrow, right? The boat.
Ryan Bang, number 1.
Joe.
Number one.
Si apartment, number 1 handsome, Ryan Bang. Pero ipila, number 1 handsome, Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Patrick sabi niya, because Joe is so white. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, he's so white. He has white skin.
Yeah.
I love white skin.
Ba't nag-pants kayo?
Really?
He has no one to bring him in pants.
Oh. Talaga?
Oh, best friend.
Maybe it's in your dream.
Ay,
Isn't it?
oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hey, let's go.
Have you?
Napasali ni si Cider. Nasa'yo?
Oh yeah, you got our clothes nga pala.
Oh, jacket. No.
Oo, nasa'yo. Naani mo?
So what can I do?
Wala niya. Ihatag daw niya.
No? Wala, nani yan?
Wala.
Ano?
Yang gibilin sa confession. Wala daw niya.
Malamig, mama?
Wala sa kanya ang jacket.
I got late but I only have 20 seconds.
Malamig?
So I have to give away my jacket. If I won't give away my jacket, I'll stay in an apartment for 27 hours.
Really? Damn. I thought you were just messing with us. He came and said, 20 seconds, guys, 20 seconds. I'm like, everyone get out of the way.
It's you. You.
Go back to go run.
Kayo pretty, gano'n, like shout.
You had to get, that was you?
Hindi,
Kasi di ba may jacket? Yung jacket ko kasi, pinahiram ko sa kanya. Eh, naiwan niya sa apartment. So, siguro if ako kukunin ko.
Next time.
Sabi ko 20 seconds.
No, it's me.
Kasi pag hindi ko makuha in 20
Sige,
seconds,
Yeah.
I'll give away the jacket. I was
Ano?
late for 27 seconds.
Isn't that with you?
Then, yun,
Sa kanya yun.
I left the jacket. Kuya made me choose kung kanino ko ibibigay. Either Carson, James, or Brett. I chose Brett. Yeah.
Ano?
Yung, di ba I ran inside your
wala na
house
si
to get
Kira.
the stuff?
Really?
Yeah, I only have 20 seconds, right?
You weren't.
Yeah, 20 seconds. So,
Ano?
na-late ako, 27
I
seconds.
wasn't either. Ayun.
Galing.
You should give me souvenirs when I go back.
Yan.
What? This is dugay na me. Another food.
Ano? Anything. Binigay ko kay si Gayon Carson. Yung first day dumating ka. Hindi ka kasi nag-ask.
Souvenir?
Mukha ni ask.
What? I'm asking.
Now? Ayun na, sulatan ng susi. Oo, boy.
Wow?
Oo. Di ikaw, matag ako.
Sige. But when? During the next
Na-eye game. When?
Yeah, but it's
Ano?
it's okay with you?
Ko
Grabe yung ba yun?
Mami!
Bibigay sa...
Ang pangit?
Ano yan?
This, what do you call that? See?
Ano?
See you now? It's Chinese.
Talaga? Ano? Umauna ko.
Umauna.
Ito na. Ha? Ang samay. Sure?
Yeah. Always bring it.
Salamat. Sige.
Always
What
bring
did
it.
I do?
One time.
Yeah. Next time.
So next. Oh.
Ah!
Yeah.
Sige, next time. Salamat. Next time.
Next time. So next task or challenge.
Sige.
Ha? Ha? Ulay, ulaw.
Ikay dool.
I'll go to you? Sige.
Then.
And you. Yeah.
Oh. Pag first date may towel ako binigay ko kay Carson kasi siya ang nangayo. Siya ang nag-ask.
It's okay, because I'll get it next time.
Last time, si Kyra man.
Shy lagi ko, no?
Ano naman? Ano din na?
Balaw mong ka.
Iba ko na unsa.
Oo ka, wala na.
But Joe was pretty strong. But
Wow na nga. Sila oh.
Ibaw na unsa.
You know what they're doing to me every day?
Unsa man.
Starting in the morning.
Talaga.
They wake me up like that. Because they bring me outside and all day, all the girls.
Bread.
Oh, bread steak.
Talaga.
It's bread.
Oh.
Diba? Nice, ha?
Pwede.
Pwede kayo. And they're always trying to tell me things about you, like that. And they're
Like
always
unsa man.
making fun of me. Dentist daw yung papa.
Isa kibaw.
I don't remember. I think it was Sophia or Jenny or someone. Or no, it was one of the boys.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Ba't nila nalaman? Paano?
They know you. Diba? Because they came in, you know, we came in later. So they know you already, Daghan, about you. And I asked them, I've never seen the show before, Bea.
Ay. So, sige sila watch.
Oh, and then they told me things about you.
Like unsa man.
Secret.
Unsa?
Secret.
Like, you know.
Secret.
Unsa? Like unsa?
You're very kind, man.
Eh.
Nice things to none. That wasn't any bad thing.
Kasi nag-ingon. Kita ka.
I saw your music video. You're the only one dancing.
No, kami tanan, but ang amo ara sige balik. Ikaw, what? Anong amo?
Ay, Sophia. You okay, Sophia?
Oy. Ambot amo ara sige balik.
No, I was like, but I was like, she looks really good in that yellow dress. I was like, replay, please.
Talaga.
Lagi.
Lingaw sa inyong video.
I'm not in the video much because I'm the one shooting. I took many angles. That's why it's always jumping.
Kaya pala para ganun.
Oh, nana. Yeah.
Galing.
Director.
Uy! Well, kami sa amo, kami man ang... Diba tayo yung...
music video.
Siya yung director sa atin. Tayo yung...
Yeah!
Gusto mo?
Nah.
Still have a lot of time, I'm sure, right?
You guys don't want to swim? You guys have the pool anyway. Not like us.
Anytime.
Rub it in, man.
What?
And you can hear us over there. Always.
If sagitan og maayo.
Ay, good. Only if sakit.
Only if sagit. If ganito, wala.
May pakay. Kagaling istorya dito. Ano siya nga ba?
Unsa pa lang gingon?
Basta lang.
Tingnan ko.
Ay, sige, next time lang.
Lain na.
Ano? Sige, gusto mo about me mo lagi. Ay, mo.
Unsa man?
Oh, Fancy looks so nice today. Red.
So ba ay?
Wow.
Oh, masanta.
Every day. Like today, I was sick. All day. And then
Okay ka na ngayon.
okay, na guys.
Eh. Weird.
When I heard that you're gonna be here, I was like,
I know.
okay, na.
Ano din na?
Lovesick daw. Lovesick. Maybe.
Talaga.
Yeah, I was sick and like really hot. My head like that. Then they were like getting water and they put it in. Then they were like, "What if Fritz is here? Then she can take care of you." And I'm like, can't stop smiling even though I'm sick.
Diba? Ay, lain na. Talaga.
Di ka matuo. Lagi, all day, every day. Betsy.
Yun sa wall, sungugan day kayo sila.
Hindi man sa kaya naman ako.
Sungugan.
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 Sungugan. Sungugan.
Sungug.
Sungog.
Yan. Ay no, ibang ka ano.
Wala ba?
Wala.
Sungugan.
Eh!
Katang first time na ka.
Yan.
Maganda yung eyes, oh. And I'm like, I can't pretend like I don't know what you're saying, but I'm like,
Asa, maganda si Dibon. Ano pa si Dibon?
no, you were saying, maganda yung eyes, oh.
Ay!
Ulaw siya.
Uy! Uy! Hulo! Wala. Joke lang tayo.
Ouch!
Ay,
Joke lang.
talaga? Eh, bakit? Ang saka doon, naintindihan mo lahat.
Oh. I know everything you're saying.
Cool, ano sinabi ko?
That's for me.
Uy!
Ay, di ka mauwaw.
Naino! Ay, uno.
Yeah, seriously, so much.
Kadumudi ka?
Oo. Ako pa?
Naino.
I know things.
Oh, good.
I didn't get what you call confident or anything because I'm so shy. I was sitting there, I kept looking at you and I'm like,
Talaga? Hindi, ay.
then I asked if I could bring guitar tonight. I was gonna sing. Ay, bigyan.
Dayon.
Ayun, honest kuya, dili.
Talaga?
Yeah, but next time. Next time. Mahiho lagi tag sound.
Ikaw.
Oh, ako, ano, you sing with me. Pwede. Pwede. Ay, purakay ta. Oh, lumagete po ta.
Sige.
Then I'll go to Cebu.
Magete ka?
Oo. Then close ang Cebu. And I always go there.
Talaga?
Oo. Always, as in like 3 times a month.
Bakit?
Hang out. Movies.
Ako kita din mo.
Because, you know, I'm very
Eh,
nerdy mga. Nerdy.
Talaga? Si Carson said from Cebu.
Should hang out Ayala or something. Watch movies. But don't get out of the house fast. Stay. Then if you get out,
Dito?
I will leave also.
Na wala ka na no? Na ano? Nominate. Sino sa iyo?
Basta. Hindi pa rin maingon.
Pwede.
Pwede na?
Oo.
Sure, ikaw na. Fine.
Marami. So you know that God, but
Tulo
it's
ra.
okay. Okay naman iingon no? Okay ra sabihin sino sa nominate, diba?
Pero after, okay na yan. Kasi
Kami kay...
Sino?
Ikaw na.
Si...
Using it in there.
Si Angelo, si Yong, and si Yen.
Hello, Young. Young is so nice.
Yong and Yen.
Last mo pa yung part ko.
Si April and si Carson.
Bakit?
Ano?
Oh,
Basta there's a bunch of problems that night, the first nomination night. Everyone's like feeling awkward. Then we had open forum. We all talk about it. Well,
then,
it's okay na. Ako, okay na.
okay naman.
Nag-game. It's a hard game. But get nominated mo.
Wala pa even.
Good. Good. Huh? I'll be like, no. Huh? Then we can hang
Ikaw,
out.
Sal.
Okay lang nga.
Ew.
Basta mga Bisaya. Together lang ta.
Sabay.
You look really good. I feel like mess.
Ay, kasi sabi ni Kuya magpaganda.
I was gonna...
Mag-outside.
Really?
Nag-sponsor me ganina din. Hindi pa ilis.
No,
Sponsor.
I should have like wore like jacket.
Na?
dapat alam mo yan.
Nag-sponsor me din, hindi pa ilis.
Like seriously, why? I. Guys. Hi, Jay.